have the Sony Mavica floppy disk camera. This is the last model that they released. This thing keeps fucking turning. This thing's amazing. It has their first version of the SD card, so you don't need floppy disks for this camera. I could have got the SD card and it could have been a lot easier because it holds a lot of photos. This is a floppy disk. I have 15 of them. That only equals to about 60 photos. So this is only 60 photos right here, which is crazy. Put it in. It's great. It's a little windy, so I'm probably gonna do a lot of voiceover for this video. I think this camera is pretty cool. I like how big the camera is. I like that it uses floppy disks. I think it's kind of hilarious. I didn't know these cameras existed until I went into my local camera shop and they had a bunch on display. But I found this one on Facebook Marketplace for $25. The lady thought it was broken, but turns out the battery wasn't charged, so it's pretty funny. So it works great. Every time I take a shot with the camera, I will put it on the screen. I'm already on my 6th floppy disk, and I haven't got a lot of content out of it, which is crazy. I think the picture quality is actually really good. It's like the same quality as my Canon SD1000, but the one problem is only 4 photos fit on one floppy disk. And the even worse part of this is only one 15-second video fits on a floppy disk. So this thing is not practical, but it's fun. Switching in and out the floppy disks is super satisfying, and I really have to think about my photos before I take them. This is it. I don't even know if there's audio or not, but this is where I am. This is me. I don't know. Last one. Number 15. Number 15. I really like this camera. Using floppy disks for taking photos seems really funny to me, and it's satisfying switching out the floppy disks. It's definitely a different experience than taking pictures on a normal digital camera. It kind of reminds me of a film camera. You have to think about the shots a lot more before you take them, but other than that, it's completely different. If you want this camera, it's a little expensive right now. On eBay, the cheapest one is $60. If you can find it used on Facebook Marketplace, that would be a lot better.